Hi there everybody, welcome to our celebration assembly for the week beginning the 25th of January. So first of all, we want to wish a really happy birthday to Lily in Rabbit's class, Percy in Hedgehog's, Alana and Evan in Badger's class. Hope you got some lovely presents and have had a wonderful day. And now we're going to move on to our Learner of the Week. This is the part where the teachers have nominated the children who they think have worked really, really hard, either at home or at school. And so let's see who the Learner of the Week is for Rabbit's class. Learner of the Week for Rabbit's class is Millie. Mrs. Ashton says, "Our Learner of the Week in Rabbit's class this week is Millie. She completes all of the home learning activities set and is working really hard on her reading and her writing, regularly reading books on Bug Club. We're very proud of you. Well done, Millie." And then let's have a look at some of Millie's work. And there you've got Millie doing her learning at home, and then look at the iPad there. She's listening to Mrs. Ashton reading a story. Well done, Millie. You're working really, really hard. So the Learner of the Week for Hedgehog's class is Jack. Miss Anstey says, "This week we have chosen Jack to be Hedgehog's word-cot learner. He has impressed us with his creativity in English. He's drawn an incredible picture of his favourite character, the giant, and the setting, the castle. Jack has also described the giant's features using appropriate adjectives. It has been wonderful to see Jack use the stories he's learned over the past few weeks independently to create pictures and new stories. Additionally, he has been a superstar in maths, describing and comparing team numbers using the vocabulary tens and ones. Well done, Jack. We are very proud of you." And then look at these amazing drawings and those fantastic labels. So you've got the giant there with his big body, long arms and large feet. And then you've got a picture of the castle with the tall beanstalk and the flag. Jack, fantastic work. Learner of the Week for Squirrel's class is Zachary. Zachary has been working very hard at home and has been completing all his assignments on Google Classroom. He made a fantastic paper mache globe for his geography challenge and has labelled all the world's oceans. Zachary has also been working very hard on his handwriting and it really shows. He's also challenging himself with extra challenges for maths by completing our problem of the day in addition to his normal maths assignments. Well done, Zachary. Keep up the hard work. And then look at all the effort that has gone into making this paper mache globe. He starts there in the top corner, making his balloon, covering it in the blue paper mache, then drawing all the continents, colouring them all, sticking them on that globe, and then labelling the seas. Zachary, what an achievement. Fantastic work. So Learner of the Week for Blackbird class. Miss Saul says, "This week I would like to choose Isabella as Learner of the Week for Blackbirds. She's been working so hard on her Egyptian mask all week and has adapted updates along the way. I'm so impressed how her finished product looks so like her original design. Well done, Bella." And there you have, look. What an amazing drawing, first of all. And then she's built it up around the balloon, carefully paper mashing everything, carefully colouring her drawing, carefully matching the paint to the colours on her drawing. Isabella, that is fantastic work. Absolutely brilliant. Learner of the Week for Fox's class is Freddie. Mrs. Popham and Mrs. O'Toole have chosen Freddie to be their Learner of the Week because of his enthusiastic engagement with our history topic. Freddie has learned how the ancient Egyptians lived, where they built their villages, what they ate, about their farming seasons. To complete his research, he has baked his own Egyptian flatbread, and to really show off his skills, he adapted the recipe, adding garlic and salt to improve the taste. Well done, Freddie. There we've got Freddie making his dough, then bringing the dough and the bread out of the oven, and then, best of all, eating his bread with his tea. That is absolutely fantastic. It looks delicious, Freddie. Well done. Learner of the Week for Badger's class is Lennox. And Miss McBride says, our Learner of the Week this week is Lennox for completing lots of his home learning tasks this week, including the science experiment. He looked very happy and was able to explain what he had found out. Lennox also had the courage to join in our Zoom call where we had great fun playing bingo. Keep up the great work, Lennox. And there we have him, look, experimenting with chocolate of all things, and then looking very pleased with his efforts. Well done, Lennox. Brilliant work. And then finally, we have our Learner of the Week for Owls class, and Miss Pierce has chosen Lexi. Lexi is Learner of the Week for her fantastic effort with home learning, consistently handed in her work, and I particularly like her cross-section diagram of planet Earth and its layers, with added information about each layer too. And there we have Lexi's work, and she's found out all that information, labelled her diagram, and then written it all up. So very good effort. Well done, Lexi. So well done to all of our children who are working at school or at home. We can see how hard you're working. We're so pleased with everything that is being handed in on our Google Classroom and on Tapestry. And the teachers and myself, all of us absolutely love looking at the videos, looking at the photos and seeing what you're doing at home. Children, parents, you are doing an absolutely amazing job. So keep it up, and then we'll see you all next week. Okay? And